Hello! And welcome to the unseen universe! Today, we have a very exciting episode. We have something that was lurking in the deep for millions of years, and now it's here! It's a shark fossil! Wow! So here I have a special shark fossil. You want to hold that shark crystal? Wait a minute. I have another one here. Whoa, let's check this out.
Let's check it out.
This is a sand tiger tooth. Why don't you hold that one? And then you can hold a crow shark. That's a crow shark. And then, Chiquito, can you show everyone your sand tiger tooth? Wow, isn't that interesting?
A bone is a rock that turned into stone.
Yeah, that's right. This one here is called Otodus Obliquus. Can you say Otodus Obliquus? Hey, that's a good try. So let's go ahead and check this guy out. There it is, guys. That's Otodus Obliquus.
Where did this come from?
Yeah, this one was buried deep inside sediments. This is a crow shark. He lived millions of years ago. You have the root at the bottom and the crown is on top. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
Wow. You know what else is interesting? That subscribe and like button. Why don't you guys go ahead and smash it? What do you think about the crown of his tooth?
Good.
Yeah, he has a red striation, a red line running across because he's a fossil. The water seeps in and different minerals get inside the tooth.
Look at this.
Yeah, I see that one.
It's so pokey.
Yeah, so this...
So pokey.
It is very pokey. Sharks will poke you and bite you. Watch out, folks. You need to be careful with those sharks. Oh, yes. Please wear your gloves. I agree with that one. You need more than the glove to protect you from a shark. So there's a red line. I think this shark fossil had some iron seep into it because iron oxidizes and turns red. Watch out for that shark. He's coming to get you. Hey, let's go even closer. Let's go to the 10x and see what the crown.
That is 5x and now we're going to 10x.
10x on Otodus Obliquus. Hey, that's a tongue twister right there.
But we have to do 2.
There we go. What do you think about that now?
Ooh, I love it.
You love it. What do you love about it?
The line.
The red line, yeah. So this is the 10x, guys. That line of mineral deposit within the tooth is really standing out now. I think we need to go to 20x to check it out and leave it even closer. Let's go. Whoa, look at that. What do we think about that, guys?
Good.
Wow, you can really see that crown, that little line of mineral deposit. Yeah. Oh, they're fighting over gloves. Here, you can have my glove. These critters are silly. So there what's your favorite prehistoric animal? What's your favorite dinosaur?
I like this one.
You like, well, this is actually, this animal still lives today. He's a sand tiger. We still have sand tigers. Yeah, this one is the fossil, a crow shark. Maybe next time we'll take a look at him.
No, closer. No, top, no, back, no.
Oh no, please don't bite me. What's your favorite dinosaur?
Let's see, Tata.
Triceratops and Tyrannosaurus Rex. Hey, that's a good choice. What is your guys' favorite dinosaur? Maybe you can leave a comment down below and tell us so you can share with everyone. Yeah, my favorite dinosaur, I think, is pterodactyl. He flies away. So there you have it, folks. We looked at the Otodus Obliquus tongue twister prehistoric fossil today. I think it's really interesting. They find these all over the world. There were sharks everywhere now. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining us as we explore the unseen universe.